All right, welcome back, y'all. How y'all doing out there? Today we're going to be launching some brand new products. We already have rattles, folks, but check out our brand new rattles that we got. Large size, large in the black. In the black we got large, medium, and small. The red we got some large at the moment. Folks, let me tell you, we have glass rattles already. You know, there's certain different ways you can work these baits and different types of techniques you can use. Today I'm just going to show you guys one. This is one of our wacky rig toolkits. You can put this on your belt so you never lose it. You can get these online. These are the gethookedmagicbaits wacky kits. Everything that you need online, folks. For this example, I'm going to take one of our crawl baits and let's just insert that thing right up on in there. And then we're going to take this O-ring, which it comes supplied with some O-rings already on there. And we're going to take and run that through right there on that bait, okay? And there you have it. So now that it's on the bait, for this example, let's see if I can find me a hook around here. Let's just grab one of these hooks. Normally I use these on my jerk baits, the way these hooks are designed, but for this example, I'm just going to show you guys because you're going to be able to do the same thing on any bait that you want to make rattle. All right, so we're going to take that bait right there. Let's just go ahead and run it up there like we're going to just do a regular old Texas rig. You know, popping it out through the side, running it on up there, and then put that up there. Now, what you want to do, go ahead and take yourself one of these rattles right here. We'll go ahead and pull one up out of this bag here. All right, now we have a rattle and we have the O-ring on there. So sometimes you can take and open it up with your fingers on the O-ring, and you can see how that bait is going to stay on there now, or not the bait but the rattle. You can also go 2 O-rings on there if you want, and then run these up here, possibly put it right up in the middle there. This will not affect the way that your bait is in the water or anything. And I would definitely suggest running this up a little bit higher. Let's see if we can slide this up here. I'm just showing you guys for the tutorial reasons here. Okay, run that bait. We're going to go ahead and run this up here higher because typically you don't want that the weight itself, or excuse me, the rattle. You don't want hear that sounds so good. You don't want the rattle, you know, that close to the hook, because when you want obviously get that fish to bite, you want that to pop off. So I'm going to try to lift this up with my fingers, and it looks like I can do it, you know, for tutorial reasons. Now, I would suggest having you some pliers. That's what I was going to use if I couldn't get it on there. But there you have it right there. You put that bait on there, and then you're just going to hook it up on there. Now you're going to add a different presentation and a new way of doing this. Now, let me tell you something else about these rattles. What else you can do? There's so many ways, folks, so many different ways you guys can run these rattles. We have glass rattles and we have these rattles. If you guys are using the hollow body frogs, you can take the skirts and pull the skirts out. These are made, you see that little notch on there? You can pop them right down in on each side of the legs where your legs come out on your hollow body frogs. Now, you want to talk about a game changer? Add a little pop and a little movement. Adding that rattle on there, folks. You want to be a game changer. You want to have a step above the rest. Make sure to check out gethookedmagicbaits online. These are $5.99 for a pack of 10. These will be online possibly whenever you guys see this video, sometime in June. So take a look, get on over there. And another thing you guys can do to these right here is you can add these also onto jigs. Perfect. If you guys are flipping jigs, you're going to rig this up the same way. Run your bait and put a couple of O-rings on there, and then just slide the hook that up there. And then, so if you have jigs, like the gethookedmagicbaits jigs right here, and even bladed jigs, it don't matter. Change everything. Everything can have a rattle. You're going to rig it up the same way. Now, also, I want to point out, folks, if you guys like jackhammers and are using jackhammers, this is a game changer also. You can add this on there. You already know how crazy them are. Add this to your arsenal, step above the rest, and folks, I'm telling you, get on over to gethookedmagicbaits.com. Also, be sure to follow us on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram for all your fishing supplies and more to come. Gethookedmagicbaits.com.